So the tools and frameworks we use are basically, one of them is multi-tenancy. So here what we do is we have the yarn instance divided into two steps. So what we are specifically telling here is the Hadoop structure. So we will have a yarn instance into production and non-production levels. So what it is done, there is a priority-based allocation of those production and non-production levels. Then we have Sentry and Vintela related technologies that it dictates the access control levels. We also have the encryption at rest, so that the data is encrypted during the transfer and at the source and the target. Then there is a menace of small data which we also observe in our systems. That is, the system is capable of enchurning big data. But when there are small data feeds coming from the system, we see a process where the metadata volume exceeds the actual data. So we have termed it as something called data eutrophication. So you can, eutrophication is a biological term, as you have might know. In lakes it happened. There are small algae-like organisms growing that consumes a lot of oxygen and depletes the data, a lake, or biological lake into a swamp. So that happens here, that when we have more data than the actual metadata, this particular data eutrophication happens. So to combat this, we use a framework of compaction. So it is a process where we rearrange the defragmented data into compact files.